Hey Algebra 1, Mr. Schachter here with some examples on interval notation. Let's take a look at the following set. X is greater than 5. Before I write something in interval notation, I usually like to graph the set first, okay? So if I were to graph the set greater than 5, I would put 5 on my number line. I have an open circle because it is not or equal to, and I shade in the right direction because I'm talking about numbers larger than 5, okay? If I Schachterize my number line, I put positive infinity here and negative infinity here. So as I create my interval, the first thing I need to understand is I need to use two numbers in my interval. The first number is going to be the beginning of the problem. Notice that the beginning of the problem is the number 5. So 5 is the beginning of my interval. Then I use a comma, kind of like a coordinate point, and I end wherever my set ends, my line, my interval ends. Then it goes all the way to positive infinity. This is why Schachterizing your number line helps you understand what the end of the set is. This set runs from 5 to infinity, okay? Open circle on 5 means parenthesis on 5. Infinity always gets a parenthesis. So the answer, x is greater than 5, is expressed as the set 5 comma infinity with parentheses. All right? Try another one. X is less than or equal to negative 3. So again, I always like to graph these before I use interval notation. So negative 3, closed circle because it's an or equal to, shading to the left because I'm talking about numbers less than negative 3, so everything to the left. Schachterize the old number line. Schachterize the old number line. All right? So let us begin. I have to make sure I go least to greatest. Left to right. Left to right. So if I were to start the set, it begins on the left side at negative infinity. So I begin at negative infinity, which always gets a parenthesis, comma, I go all the way until negative 3, and I stop at negative 3. And because negative 3 is a closed circle, I would use a bracket instead of a parenthesis, indicating that negative 3 should be included. All right? I hope that those were clear.